going on, my winjas? This is your girl Maya, and today I want to take you on an entire follow along with me warm up, where we're going to warm up everything from our wrist, our shoulders, our hips, our quads, our core, plus we're going to be activating core, glutes, So I want you to do this workout whenever you need to warm up before you hit any of the follow along workouts that I will be making for you. So let's go, cue that intro. I've got my eye on the time. Clear your mind. Let's get into it. Let's warm up. So, I always tell you, my winjas, how important a thorough wrist warm up is, and that's exactly what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go full 5 minutes on the wrist, and then we're gonna do a dynamic full body warm up, and then we're gonna activate, and then we're gonna engage, and then we are gonna be ready to hit any workout. Bam! Okay, bring the hands together, seal off the little fatty parts of the hands, and then we're gonna roll. All right. So you're gonna make nice, tight hands, nice, big rolls. And even here while we're rolling, you can start setting your body. So what does that mean? That means boom, bring your attention to your shoulder blades, put it in your back pocket. I don't want none of this hunchback rolls, okay? We want in the back pocket. You wanna take your rib cage, zip it up. So even though we're warming up the wrist, switch directions. We are still setting up the body and bringing our mind to our muscle and connecting it. Okay. Whoa, 1 minute in. Okay, now we're gonna do waves. So, like we're on the dance floor, you're gonna try to be as fluid as possible as you push your fingertips into your knuckles and then push your elbows up. So, yeah, just like we're on the dance floor. So what I love about this one is that it starts warming our wrists into flexion, warming up those fingertips, warming up those knuckles, and just start breathing. So you've got your shoulder blades set, you have your ribs set, now set your pelvis. So none of this, none of that. Tuck your tailbone slightly underneath you into posterior pelvic tilt. That way you can fully engage glutes, ribs, shoulders, yeah, and we're still waving through the wrist. And breathe. So that's exactly what I mean when I say set your body. Okay, 2 minutes in. We're gonna go into prayer hands, and you're gonna push. Create that connection, engaging those pec muscles, push in as you push up and touch the elbows together. Keep that body set, keep it engaged. My upper lip is starting to sweat already. And this is just the warm up because that's what I mean about engaging your body. Okay, we're not just standing here fiddling around. We're fully in it to win it. Winja style, okay. And breathe, and breathe. Start bringing your attention to your wrist, your hands, your fingertips, okay? 3 minutes in. Woo! Okay, make a fist and let's go. Circle in. Really create that resistance in your wrist while setting your body. And make some wrist twisty thingies. Twisting in on both sides. In on both sides. And then out. And out. Okay, now we're gonna warm up the lateral portion of our wrist. So lace your fingertips together and make it parallel to the floor, like this. And then you're gonna push. So you're not doing that. I want the hands to be parallel to the floor, and then you're gonna feel the tension and right through on this side, the lateral side of your wrist. Keep everything else engaged, locked in. And the big part of why I love a good warm-up is that I'm clearing my mind and I'm setting myself up for success. So I'm getting rid of all the thoughts, all the things going on in the world right now, all the worries, and I'm right here, right now, focused on my wrist, on my ribs, on my shoulder blades, on my pelvis. And that's how we practice mindful movement, and it's one of my favorite ways to meditate because there's no other time that I'm so fully connected and in it than right now as I'm performing my warm-up ritual. And I really hope I get to share this with you. All right, okay, let's go. Wrists are done, check. We're gonna do some shoulder rolls now. Keep the rib cage zipped up and roll with it. Nice big rolls. So the warm up, we're gonna start doing crab position right away. So really important that we get our shoulders mobilizing. We start bringing synovial fluid, lubrication, nutrients, oxygen, blood into the shoulder joint, okay? Boom, hit that circle. Open it up, keeping that rib cage zip. Okay, you don't wanna be flared out. What the heck? Zip it up, tuck that pelvis in, and shoulder roll. And switch directions. Woo! Man, nothing like a freaking shoulder circle. Arm circles are the most easiest things we can do to warm up our shoulder, and damn, it is hard for a lot of us. All right, check it out. Now let's go up and down, alternating. Start moving those feet. Moving that feet. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna get more dynamic now, guys. Woo, I'm sweating. All right, we're gonna go inchworm. So, bend at the hip, inchworm out, walk out, lunge in, and give me a circular lizard lunge thing. And flip your hand over, and the other side. Woo, inch back up. All right, when you come back up, roll up slowly, and now start bringing your attention into your spine. So as I roll down, I think about my spine, boom. I activate the inchworm, and then I engage plank. Bring the lunge leg up and twist. So right now we've got hip mobility, shoulder mobility, plus spinal mobility, all going at once, all lubricating, boom, 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 boom. Feeling freaking good. Plus we're engaging and activating the core and waking that up. And twist to the other side. Hit that plank, inchworm up. One more. Inchworm out. This is one of my favorite dynamic warm-up move because it really gets everything. There we go. All right. Okay, so you can definitely keep repeating that. We're gonna get right into activation. So right down, activate beast for me. Lift those knees if you can. Hands underneath the shoulder, and here we go. We're gonna start with the toes. So lift the right foot just enough to slide a piece of paper in. You're gonna hold 5 seconds. Okay. Oh, you should feel your quads burning. Now we're gonna move to the other foot, just enough to slide a piece of paper in. Woo. So right now, my quads are on fire. My knees are like, ah, damn. Abs are engaging. Core is super activated. Left hand, limb lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right hand, limb lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, the key to the limb lift is as you lift each limb, just enough to slide a piece of paper in, nothing else changes on your body. So you still look exactly as though you have all 4 limbs on, and that's the ultimate goal. Whew, yo, I'm toasty. Are you toasty? Okay, let's flip it over and let's do crab activations. So, corkscrew the shoulders, feet hip width apart, fingertips pointed back to the room, lift the butt. So, chest proud, eyes to the horizon. Let's start with our left foot. Just enough to slide a piece of paper in. Not bad, right? Guys, I made a whole entire video on all types of beast variations and crab variations, so make sure you check that out. And if this is too hard for you, everything you need to regress the movement are in those videos. Check the box, check the links. I got freebies in there for you. Make sure you check it out. Okay, we're going hand now. Hand lift in crab is no freaking joke. Right now my triceps like, damn. My upper lip is sweating balls, and I'm keeping it cool. I'm on my other hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. All right, guys. Now, we fully warmed up our wrists. We warmed up our body dynamically. We've activated. Now we're gonna get into the crab reach. So we're gonna do 3 crab reaches per side. Shh. Why do we want a crab reach? Boom, it's gonna activate and mobilize your shoulder blades and get yourself activating in the core muscles. Plus it's gonna engage and wake up your glute muscles. Plus you're gonna be lengthening your entire anterior sling. So check it out, we're gonna do 3 per side. Activate crab, left hand crab reach. Right hand crab reach. Repeat, right side. Repeat. Oh. Okay, one more set of crab reaches per side. So you'll notice as you hit that crab reach and go into full extension, you're gonna feel a lengthening in your abdominal muscle and a stability in your shoulders and the mobilizing of the shoulder joints. So effective, so awesome for any type of full body lifting that you're gonna go into. Woo! Okay, after that, we're gonna do 3 scorpion reaches per side to activate the glutes, lengthen the body as well as stretching out the shoulders and lats. Okay, so you're gonna hit loaded beast, scorpion reach to the side, pushing the ground away as you take your foot and point it and go up and around the corner. So that's 1. Other side. That's 2. All right, come on, second set. That's 3, or that's 2. Up and around, push the ground away. And 1 more on each side. Up, 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 boom. You feel your hip joint. In, low, and up and away. And push the ground away, get that full extension. See how much farther you can take it around the corner without falling over? And done. Whew. Damn! This be the warm-up, yo. So check it out, Winjas. This is exactly what I'm teaching my clients. This is what we do online in the Winja way. This is directly out of the online program. I hope you've enjoyed this. Watch this video over and over again as many times as you need as we progress into the workouts. So go and click on one of the workouts, do that with me, but make sure you do this one every time you need to warm up. This is your girl Maya. Thanks for joining me. Drop me a like, comment, let me know how you're doing with these movements. And of course, check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and I'll see you guys next time.